This is the Zippo model Z200MLB201. It is done for the Yankees Champions Series win in 1998 to 1999. Zippo has teamed up to be an official genuine merchandise with the MLBP, so the Major Leagues production has given them permission, and they have worked together for this neat set for you to have a memory and a nice memorabilia for their championship win. You're going to come in this Zippo gift tin, and there you see in the silver with the red and blue colors, 1999 World Champions. This Zippo lighter is brand new, has never been opened. You will still see that it has the nice tags on and never has been used. So any of our Yankee fans, you want to reach back and remember their win of 1999 World Champs, you will need to get this New York genuine merchandise Zippo lighter, and you can always remember how they won that year. So of course Zippos are still made in the USA. Okay, well there goes my paper. So the Zippo lighter model Z200MLB201.